In the last part, we have learned how to apply digit sum rule on multiplication. This rule only helps you to check the possible answer but does not give you the correct answer. So you have to be judiciously applying this rule. Now, the same rule can be applied for division also, but with some conditions. So in this part, we shall learn these conditions with two examples which I have written on the board. So I have two examples. Let's take the second one right now. So 5 plus 4 is 9. So discard. 8 plus 1 is 9. Discard. 2 plus 7 is 9. Discard. So we are left with 5 and 7. Don't worry about the decimal places. You can add all the numbers. So 5 plus 7 is 12. 2 plus 1 is 3. Here you have 3 and 9. So 9 you can discard and you got 3. So write 3. 3 by 3. It should be 1. So let's see the division. 5 plus 4 is 9. Discard. 8 plus 1 is 9. Discard. 9 is there. Discard. You are left with 7 and 3, which is 10. And again it is 1. So 3 by 3 is 1. So here digit sum rule can be applied on the division also. Now let us see the first example. 5 plus 4 is 9. Discard. Discard the 0. You are left with 1 and 6. 1 plus 6 is 7. Divided by 3, 9. 9 you can discard and you are left with 3. And now if you actually divide this, this will be 2.3333 something. So it is not terminating. It is not stopping. So this rule cannot be applied in this case. If you also see here on this right side, it is not terminating. It is continuous. So you cannot find out the digit sum on the right side. So even in this case, you cannot apply the digit sum rule. Now let us take one more example. Now I have taken this example. Let us apply digit sum rule here and see if the answer is correct. So here you have 9, discard. 5 plus 4 is 9, discard. Again 9, discard. So you are left with 7 plus 7, which is 14. 1 plus 4 is 5. So write 5 divided by 5 plus 7. So here 5 plus 7 is 12. 1 plus 2 is 3 is equal to 8 plus 1 is 9. Discard. You are left with 4 plus 3, which is 7. Plus 3 plus 8 is 11 divided by 5 plus 7, which is again 12. So write 12. So this is again 1 plus 1 is 2 and then 2 plus 1 is 3. Now we have 3 in the denominator on both sides. So to eliminate that, we are going to multiply by 3 on the numerator on both the sides. So here this 3 and this 3 gets cancelled. This 3 and this 3 gets cancelled. So here we got 7 into 3. Now 5 is equal to 7 into 3, which is 21, plus 2. So 5 is equal to 23. 2 plus 3 is 5. So 5 is equal to 5. Here digit sum rule can be applied and the given answer is correct. Now there is another way of doing this where you write 479 579 is equal to 8413 into 57 plus 38. So what is the digit sum for this? So it will be the same as this because we have taken the same number. So 7 plus 7 is 14, 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 is equal to, here also it's the same digits, 8413. So you take 7 into 57, which is 3, plus 38, which is 2. Now 5 is equal to 7 into 3 is 21 plus 2. So 5 is equal to 23, which is again 5. Even if you apply this method, you get the same answer. Now we have seen for division. Let us just do one simple example for addition and subtraction as well. Let's take a simple example to see if digit sum can be applied on addition method. So 12 plus 12 is equal to 24. So here 1 plus 2 is 3, 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 4 is 6. So 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. So which means that digit sum rule can be applied on addition as well. Now let us take an example and see if digit sum rule can be applied on subtraction. I am taking an example 91 minus 52. What is the answer? 39. So if you apply digit sum rule here, 9 you can discard, you are left with 1. Then 5 plus 2 is 7. And then 9 you can discard 3. Now is 1 minus 7 3? No, 1 minus 7 will be actually minus 6. However, remember this is digit sum rule. So here you can write either 9 plus 1 or you can directly take it as 1 0, which is 10. So 10 minus 7 will be 3. How can you take 10? Because 1 plus 0 is again 1 only. It is not making any difference. So even if you take 9, when you can remove 9 from digit sum, you can also add 9 in the digit sum. So 9 plus 1 will be 10. 10 minus 7 will be 3. As I've told you before, digit sum rule only gives you a check on the possible answer. It does not give you the answer. So you have to be very careful when you are applying this. So friends, in today's episode, we have learnt about digit sum in two different parts, where we can apply it on multiplication, addition, subtraction and division. We have learnt that digit sum rule has some kind of conditions when we are applying it on division. Remember, this only gives you a check on a possible answer and does not give you the answer. When this is valid, it can also be misleading, and we have seen an example for that as well. So, be very cautious when you are using digit sum rule. Practice well. Happy practice, happy maths.